to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything that I've unboxed from the orders I made for my new business idea that I've gotten. So these are everything. I could not do the unboxing directly because it was really much. I have to take time because the video will be difficult for me to video and also unboxing everything. So these are all the packages that I have unboxed, a lot of them. So this is my Cricut machine. Come closer. This is my Cricut machine that I ordered. It's very beautiful for designing and crafting. So this is it. I ordered it from Amazon. So I got my HP computer. This is what I can afford for the moment. So the Cricut machine came with this mat, this cutting mat. It comes with 2 cutting mats. And this one I ordered this also. These are the tools for weeding and the scissors, the pen. So to work with this machine, and also this came together. I got this also for label printing, sticker and label printing also. This one doesn't use ink. It's a Thermal label printer. I got that also. These are my essentials for business, online business essential. This is scale. This one is a very good scale. I ordered this also from Amazon. So this is my machine. So I'm going to reveal the business I'm going to do in my next video, or it's better I just say it now so that we'll keep moving on. So this machine is to design a mug cup. If you want to supplement or to add design to cup, to glass, anything you want to do like that. So this is the machine. So this is my heat press machine. I believe you know what this is all about. So I'm going to be starting a clothing brand. I want to start a clothing brand business. So this is my heat press machine that I got. Look at it. I'm so happy to finally have all these things around me. So I'm very happy to start my own business. Please, I want people to support me, follow me on this channel. So I will be doing video to update you on what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to have a Christian clothing brand. That's what I choose to do. My niche is going to be based on Christian clothing brand. So I have to show what I stand for, what I believe for. It's going to be a Christian clothing brand. So you have to support me also. Encourage me, share this video, like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. So I'm going to be doing my grafting. So after this now, I will start ordering my clothes and do some kind of design. Any design I do, I'm going to let you know. So if you're interested, you can order from me. I'm still going to create a website. So I'm planning things little by little. This is the beginning of the journey. So I want you to come with me, follow me, like me, and support me on this journey. Thank you very much, guys, and have a nice day. Bye.